Greetings, everybody. These are my Christmas gifts and shopping that I bought. Nike trainers that I needed for morning and gym for running. This is woolen boot. However, it tears apart the cover. I would like to say, Woodland, please give some solid kind of paper. This is the bag, carry bag is spoken about. I bought this for my mom did. This is another Woodlands woods actually. This is loafer for a casual walk, and this is from Monte Carlo. That's high neck sweater. I love it. I like it. And this is, I guess, what it's a Uniqlo. Yeah, it's a Uniqlo's sweater, off-white. I love it. I've seen it, so I found it better. I mean, this is merino wool. You can see its logo here. Uniqlo. I like it, so I bought this for myself. And then, yes, this is from H&M. It's a beautiful tees. It's very heavy t-shirt, so I bought this for myself. I actually have this another color. It is inspired from Hrithik Roshan's song from K3G, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. He used to wear some kind of this similar design in 2000s. But yeah, exactly like that. This is a zipper, but I bought it from Pantaloons. I love it. Another very heavy zipper, woolen zipper. And this is a spiker that I bought from Pantaloons. This is corduroy. It's in gray color. I love it. I actually bought a navy blue one, a gray one, and the green one. This is it for all of the corduroys from Spiker Pantaloons. I love it, and they are heavy, good for winter when you're going out for the main mountains and everywhere trekking. It's good for that. Yes, so these are my shopping that I bought on Christmas Eve for myself. Gifted everything for myself. Nike trainers, Woodland boots. Yes, this is the Woodland boots. And this loafer from Woodland for casual walk. And these are the Woodland boots you can see. Yes. And Nike trainers. All these sweaters, tees, corduroys, zippers that I bought. I love to wear that.